Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make a cartoon hand draw an image and write. As you saw in the introduction, I'm going to do the YouTube logo. This hand is going to draw the YouTube logo. So I have my shape here. I'm just going to draw it. To be able to draw a shape such as this is going to be simple because it is a round shape. So I can use a simple animation. I can use the simple wheel animation. Look at it again, the wheel animation. I can use the wheel animation. So if I preview it, so it's actually the best animation to use for this. So I'm going to use the same animation for the triangle as well. So this part of the tutorial is very simple. I basically just have to add on to make this follow the direction of the animation of the video. So, but before I do that, I have to first duplicate this image. And I'm going to rotate it upside down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make the pencil point be the center of the image. And I'm going to group them together. And this one, I'm going to sort of make this one disappear. So just turn off all the edges, all the soft edges on this, and this image disappears. It's still there, but it just disappears. So now I have one image and the pencil point becomes the center, so it would be easier for me to animate. So the animation I'm going to create is a custom path. So I start from the center and just go all the way around. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I come back to where this triangle starts. And then I'm just gonna leave the hand right here. Now it moved pretty fast, so I'm just going to take a smooth start and smooth end. And now it's basically where we time the animations. So I put the hand animation first, and then I put the rectangle animation second. It moves pretty fast, so what I'm just going to do is slow it down a bit. And it's basically where I play around with the timing of the animations. So that looks pretty decent. Let's look at it again.